Here are 25 interview questions for candidates with 2 to 3 years of experience in SAP FICO, along with their answers. These questions are designed to assess the knowledge and experience of candidates with 2 to 3 years of experience in SAP FICO, covering key aspects of financial accounting and controlling in SAP. 1. How do you handle foreign currency transactions and currency translation in SAP FICO? Answer: in SAP FICO, foreign currency transactions are managed using foreign currency valuation (FCV) and exchange rate types. Currency translation is performed using the average exchange rate, historical rate, or closing rate, depending on the requirement. 2. Explain the concept of document splitting in SAP New General Ledger Accounting New gram per liter. When and why is it used? Answer: document splitting in SAP New gram per liter allows for the creation of multiple line items in the same document for different dimensions like profit centers or segments. It's used to meet legal and management reporting requirements, ensuring accurate financial reporting. 3. How does SAP Asset Accounting FIA integrate with other SAP FICO components, and what are the key steps in asset accounting? Answer: SAP Asset Accounting integrates with SAP General Ledger Accounting and Controlling. Key steps in asset accounting include asset master data creation, asset acquisition, depreciation calculation, and asset retirement. 4. What is the purpose of the SAP Controlling Co-module, and how does it interact with SAP FICO? Answer: the SAP Controlling Co-module focuses on internal management, accounting, and cost control. It integrates with SAP FICO to provide a holistic view of financial and cost data, enabling organizations to make informed decisions. 5. Explain the significance of profit centers in SAP Co-PCA profitability analysis. How are they used, and why are they important? Answer: profit centers in SAP Co-PCA represent specific business segments within an organization. They are used to analyze profitability at a granular level, enabling organizations to identify profit centers that contribute the most to overall profitability. 6. What is cost center accounting in SAP Co, and how does it differ from profit center accounting? Answer: cost center accounting in SAP Co focuses on tracking and controlling costs incurred by different departments or units. Profit center accounting, on the other hand, analyzes profit and loss at the level of individual profit centers. Cost centers are cost objects, while profit centers are revenue and cost objects. 7. How do you configure automatic payment programs app in SAP FICO, and what are the benefits of automating payments? Answer: automatic payment programs in SAP FICO are configured to streamline vendor payment processes. They enable organizations to make payments efficiently, improve cash flow management, and reduce manual processing efforts. Configuration involves defining payment methods, bank selection criteria, and payment programs. 8. Describe the SAP Asset Under Construction (AUC) process in SAP FICO and its role in capitalizing costs. Answer: the Asset Under Construction (AUC) process in SAP FICO allows for the capitalization of costs incurred during the construction of fixed assets. It enables organizations to track and capitalize costs before the asset is completed and put into service. 9. What is SAP FESEM Financial Supply Chain Management, and how does it enhance financial processes in SAP FICO? Answer: SAP FESEM is a suite of applications and tools within SAP FICO that helps organizations optimize financial processes such as credit management, cash and liquidity management, and collections management. It enhances cash flow, reduces credit risks, and improves working capital management. 10. Explain the role of SAP New General Ledger Accounting New gram per liter in SAP FICO and how it addresses evolving reporting requirements. Answer: SAP New General Ledger Accounting New gram per liter enhances reporting and parallel accounting capabilities in SAP FICO. It addresses evolving accounting standards by providing features like document splitting, parallel ledgers, and segment reporting, allowing organizations to meet complex reporting requirements. 11. How does SAP FICO support accounts receivable and accounts payable processes? Explain the key submodules involved. Answer. SAP FICO supports accounts receivable through the Accounts Receivable AR sub-module, which handles customer invoices, payments, and credit management. Accounts payable processes are managed using the Accounts Payable AP sub-module, which deals with vendor invoices, payments, and vendor account management. 12. What is a financial document in SAP FICO, and how is it created? Provide an example. Answer. A financial document in SAP FICO represents a financial transaction. It is created using various document entry methods, such as manual journal entries F50 or automatic postings, for example, for invoice posting. An example is a journal entry to record a monthly depreciation expense. 13. Explain the purpose of the SAP tax configuration in SAP FICO and how it facilitates tax management. Answer. The SAP tax configuration in SAP FICO is used to define tax codes, tax jurisdictions, and tax rates. It facilitates tax management by allowing the system to calculate and post taxes automatically during financial transactions, ensuring accurate tax compliance. 14. What are the key components of the Asset Accounting FIA module in SAP FICO, and how do they contribute to asset management? Answer. Key components of FIA include asset master data, asset transactions, for example, acquisitions, transfers, retirements, and depreciation calculations. These components enable organizations to efficiently manage fixed assets, track their values, and ensure accurate financial reporting. 15. How does the integration of SAP FICO with other SAP modules, such as SAP Materials Management and SAP SD Sales and Distribution, enhance business processes? Answer. Integration with SAP and SAP SD streamlines business processes by ensuring consistency in financial transactions. For example, integration with SAP SD allows for automatic revenue recognition when goods are delivered, and integration with SAP enables accurate inventory valuation and procurement cost tracking. 16. Explain the purpose of SAP document parking in SAP FICO and its benefits. Answer. SAP document parking allows users to temporarily save and review financial documents before posting. It benefits organizations by improving document accuracy, providing better control over financial data, and enabling collaborative document preparation. 17. How do you configure and use SAP Open Item Management in accounts receivable and accounts payable? Answer. SAP Open Item Management is configured to track individual outstanding items, such as open invoices or payments. It ensures that each item is cleared against corresponding entries, providing a real-time view of outstanding balances for customers and vendors. 18. What is the significance of reconciliation accounts in SAP FICO, and how are they assigned to customer and vendor master records? Answer. Reconciliation accounts in SAP FICO represent summarized accounts that consolidate financial transactions for customers or vendors. They are assigned to customer and vendor master records to group transactions and simplify financial reporting and analysis. 19. Describe the purpose of a fiscal year variant in SAP FICO, and provide an example of a scenario where it might differ from a calendar year. Answer. A fiscal year variant in SAP FICO defines the financial reporting periods. An example of a scenario where it differs from a calendar year is in the case of a retail company, where the fiscal year may start in February to align with seasonality and inventory management. 20. How does the automatic clearing function work in SAP FICO, and why is it important in accounts reconciliation? Answer. Automatic clearing in SAP FICO matches open items in accounts receivable and accounts payable automatically based on predefined criteria like reference numbers and amounts. It's important for efficient reconciliation, reducing manual effort, and ensuring accurate financial statements. 21. Explain the purpose of SAP intercompany postings and how they are managed in SAP FICO. Answer. SAP intercompany postings are used to record financial transactions between different legal entities within the same organization. They are managed by creating intercompany customer and vendor accounts and executing intercompany postings to ensure accurate intercompany balance reconciliation. 22. What are the components of SAP Financial Supply Chain Management FESEM? And how do they enhance cash flow management in SAP FICO? Answer. Components of SAP FESEM include credit management, cash and liquidity management, collections management, and dispute management. They enhance cash flow management by optimizing credit decisions, improving cash forecasting, streamlining collections, and resolving disputes efficiently. 23. How does SAP Asset Retirement Obligation RO accounting work in SAP FICO, and what are its key considerations? Answer. SAP RO accounting is used to account for the retirement of assets with associated legal obligations. Key considerations include accurately determining the RO liability, accounting for it over time, and ensuring compliance with accounting standards like IFRS and GAAP. 24. Explain the concept of SAP accrual accounting in SAP FICO, and how is it used to recognize expenses and revenues? Answer. SAP accrual accounting is used to recognize expenses and revenues when they are incurred or earned, rather than when cash changes hands. It ensures that financial statements reflect a more accurate representation of an organization's financial position. 25. How do you handle cross-company code transactions in SAP FICO, and what are the implications for financial reporting? Answer. Cross-company code transactions involve financial transactions between different company codes within the same SAP system. These transactions are managed by ensuring proper intercompany accounting entries to maintain balanced books for each company code, while consolidating financial statements accurately at the group level. These questions cover a wide range of SAP FICO topics and will help assess the knowledge and experience of candidates with 2 to 3 years of experience in financial accounting and controlling SAP FICO within the SAP ecosystem. For more exciting tips, tricks, and more importantly, for valuable insights of interviews, please share, like, and subscribe to my channel. It has a lot of valuable information about various insights of interviews. It has a lot of valuable interview questions and answers of various technologies that will be useful during interviews.